everyone, pediatrician Dr. Katie here. Thank you so much for all writing in your questions. There's one question in particular that I keep getting. Hi Dr. Katie, my daughter has a cough for over a week now. During the day it's bearable, but at night it's just horrible. Why does her cough get so bad at night, and what can I do to help her? This is a great question that I get frequently, nighttime cough. Most people believe that nighttime cough is due to the congestion in their chest, and sometimes it is, but one of the biggest contributors to nighttime cough is actually in our nose, the congestion in our nose. During the day, it's bearable, but at night, we have a postnasal drip. The gravity works against us, and as we lie down, the snot drips into the back of our throat, triggering the cough reflex. That's why every family needs the Boogie wipes brand in their house during flu season. They make a Boogie mist, a sterile saline spray that goes into your child's nose. It breaks down the boogers and moisturizes the nasal passageway, therefore helping with nighttime cough. The kids absolutely love the scented tip, and they also have a great drop for infants. Here's an easy way for you guys to remember what to do when your child's suffering from nighttime cough. Just remember the word best. B for Boogie wipes, E for elevation, you want to keep their head as elevated as possible, S for steam, and T for time and patience. So I hope this helps. Thank you guys so much for all your questions.